week 1 is complete and we are starting week 2. Listen, do not read this book if you are not ready to sit with yourself and be honest with yourself. Just don't bother. But if you are ready, buckle up. And that's the introduction. Don't skip over the introduction, because literally she's like, buckle up, bitches. And I needed that because it is intense. But I am loving prioritizing myself, just this new level of self-intimacy. I would love to say that this week was just incredibly amazing. No, it was rough. This week with this book was rough. Do you hear me? It was jam-packed with challenges and breakthroughs, but I cannot deny how incredibly proud of myself I am of how I stayed with myself. I supported myself through it all. I was aware of, my thoughts and regulating my nervous system through it all. And I think that's what this is all about, is self-awareness. And just the morning pages are everything. Get the book. Come on over to the dark side.